G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. Today I'm taking on Arthur's Road. It's been about 2 years since I've done this track. Last time there was a lot of deep water-filled ruts, so we'll see if it's changed any. So this is going to be a good test out for my new 21-inch front wheel. I have a Motoz Tractionator Desert HT on the front and a Motoz Tractionator Rallz on the rear. So far this track is exactly as I remembered it. Pretty bloody rough. Oh, there's a roo. I've seen probably 200 roos so far today. I come through a little town called Kangaroo Ground, and yeah, every paddock was full of roos. That one was a little wallaby, swamp wallaby I think those black ones are. Oh man, that sun. We're going to go right out here. This way. Oh bloody hell. One of the things I'm loving about this front wheel is my ability to change lines and go over little narrow greasy strips like that. They're going between ruts. On anything slightly off camber I'd lose the front end with the old wheel. Let's go in this one. Nice, not too bad at all. Righto, what have we got here? We'll go over to this one through the trees. Never know what's around the bend on this track. There's some decent logs. Look at that. Oh, yeah, we did bottom out a bit. There's something like this, I would have been very nervous on the old front tyre. Oh, right, yeah, looks like a dozer's been through here. Might be all smooth sailing for the rest of it. Oh, righto, we're still hitting that front guard. Through the week I raised my front guard a little bit more, but yeah, it's still scrubbing. Took a bit, but it scrubbed. Might be that back edge too, it sounded pretty bad. What do we got? We go to the right. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh. Yeah, it's really good being able to change direction like that. I used to get stuck on a line. Now, this was some very deep ruts and I had to ride up the centre last time. Yeah, we're going in the middle. Let's hope you can see it with that bloody sun shining straight at me. Go through that bit. Nice. Starting to wish I took my jumper off though, I'm heating up. It was a chilly start to the day. Yeah, check this out. I'm going to stick with that centre. Ooh. We're going to have to get over there. Nice, that's so much better. Ooh, where are you going? Ooh, another hill. Right, I think this is the last hill. Right, this left, oh, it's running out on me. Oh, look at that, I can ride that so much better. What do we got here? Just keep sticking. Oh, fuck it, fuck it. Oh, oh, bloody hell, what happened there? I think I just hit a big rock and it threw me front wheel right out, but we saved it. Can we get moving from here? Come on, Motoz. Hey, 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 hey. Of course I can. Well, there we are at the end. Awesome. That's it, this is Mount Robertson Road.